Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I took this trade at 9:33. Today is the 3rd of July 2026 and let's get right to it. So coming on the day, I was actually very bullish in the beginning because we were trading at all-time highs. I wanted to see maybe a retrace into an hourly gap or a 15-minute gap, but looking at the higher time frames like the 4-hour or the 1-hour, there were absolutely no gaps. I also went down to the 15-minute. There was nothing interesting. As you can see guys, there's nothing, no gap. The only thing, there was a lot of low resistant liquidity here. So even though we were trading at all-time highs, I was thinking maybe price could sweep all-time high and then go lower. Looking at the 5-minute, nothing really changed. A lot of low resistant liquidity and price that wants to go at all-time highs. Coming on the 1-minute, I waited for the market to open, and after 1 minute took out all-time highs here. Now I put a condition. I wanted to see either longs or longs based on this 15-minute swing low right here, but because market opened higher and traded into all-time highs, I wanted to see maybe a short. As soon as price hit this all-time high, it reversed, and around 9:34 I entered this trade. I put my stop loss at the swing at the body of the inversion and targeted this swing low. I took a quite bad entry. It was around here, so it was nothing too crazy, but perfect setup. It was a PDI, and it took only 1 minute to hit my take profit. As you can see guys, there is a lot of low resistance liquidity. This was the reason I wanted to take this trade, even though we were trading at all-time highs. I noticed when price opens in the first 5 minutes and trades into all-time highs, it likes to inverse, and that was a perfect 30-second inversion. I took it, but because price was dumping so fast, I had a really bad close around 1-to-1, and I made around $550 on my evaluation. After the trade, I was really happy because I took, of course, a W, zoomed out and went on the 5-minute and noticed that there was even more low resistant liquidity could have been targeted. So I wanted to take the low-hanging fruit, a 1-to-1, nothing too special. But as you can see, if we go on the 5-minute and click through it, eventually it hits all this low resistant liquidity and even this 5-minute above and below. What I can learn from this trade is that even though are at all-time highs, I can short. It depends on the setup. It depends on how good the setup is. If there's so much low resistance liquidity and no major gaps, we can target this low because we are extremely overbought. We are all-time highs. It's way too premium. There needs to be a retrace, and today it happened. There was a really strong reaction at all-time highs that dumped price variable by like 300 points or even more. Yeah, guys, don't be, there's no problem if you take a 1-to-1. It's still a W, but one thing if I can learn from this trade is that I don't need to be shy, and if I'm certain about a trade, take it. Don't maybe leave runners. Don't take only 1-to-1s, because in my last 30 trades I saw that I often take only 1-to-1s and it can kill my profitability. With that, my first video on this channel ends. See you tomorrow, guys. If I trade, I will try to upload as much as possible. Every help is appreciated. I'm trying to become a profitable trader. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow and have a nice day. God bless.